kasi yung nangyayari in your province?
Because I'm going now to the airport for Digos. I should have saved my life, but my husband and my son is there, and the people of Davao themselves. I know for a fact, because in the last tremor, that was last November 31, I experienced the tremor. The tremor is not an ordinary tremor, because the first one that we experienced, there's a sway. Slowly, then we can hear crackle of rocks. Then ultimately, the quick is just like you dribble, and then underground, parang nagbubuli ang mga bato. So ngayon, hindi na nagbubuling, kung hindi, nag-vibrate na. And then last night at 12 at saka 3 o'clock in the morning, there's still tremor that is felt. Okay lang kung may tremor na 2.1, but this time we are talking about 5.9 tremors.
Ma'am, ano sentiment ng constituents niyo?
Ang sentiments namin, because people are no longer sleeping inside their house. Sirang-sira ang mga bahay nila. Then even the governor, kasi ganitong calamity, walang pinipili, maski presidente ka, o governor ka. Lahat kami wasap, pati ang bahay ko.
Pero the other night po, nandito po ba kayo noon? O nandun po kayo nung una pong... Yung una po na experience mo po
talaga. And then you cannot stand up. It's so strong. The earthquake is so strong.
How traumatic was it for you po?
Really, that's a concern about